This short guide answers the search, how to buy shares of Bufab AB publ, and shows the practical steps. Bufab AB is an industrial supplier of fasteners and components listed on CBOE EU under the ticker BUFAB.ST, and this video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and I use eToro here as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BUFAB.ST to find the listing. Make sure the company name and market match so you select the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information in the price chart. Confirm that the page shows Bufab AB publ on CBOE EU, so you are on the right listing. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once your order is executed, you will see the new position appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.